In this video I'm going to show you how easily you can install and use portable countertop water filter reverse osmosis unit for your apartment where you're not allowed to drill holes to install full-size RO system. And this will work on most basic faucets, but will not work on pull-outs or pull-downs. Start by removing aerator from your faucet. And then attach this diverter back to your faucet. Just screw it on. If it doesn't fit on your faucet right away, you may need to use one of the adapters provided. Like for example on this bathroom faucet, unscrew aerator. If it doesn't go right away, you can use a pair of pliers. And now we can attach one of those adapters. Screw it right on, and then you can attach diverter from your countertop unit to this adapter. And back to the kitchen. Now I've tried this before and connection is not very good, so this time I'm going to use some Teflon or plumber's tape. About this much should be enough. There is not much of a threads there, so I'm gonna have to fold it in half and then surgically place it on those threads. And now it should be better. Screw the diverter back on the faucet. When it gets difficult, get a rag or a paper towel for leverage. But don't use pliers, threads are made of plastic and you'll damage it right away. Now open cold water and let it run for a moment. Let the stale water out. Get a glass or whatever container you want to use. Remove the red cap from the tube, which is marked for drinking water. Insert it in a glass. Flip the diverter and give it a few moments until the water goes through the filtration system and comes out from a drinking tube. I guess you can't see it from there, so let me bring it closer to you. Now the speed of the water is directly dependent on water pressure in your faucet. It operates between 40 and 85 psi, so the better the pressure, the faster it flows. But this is the purest and the cleanest water you can get at home, and you don't have to deal with bulky and expensive water bottles. Once you're done filling it up, switch diverter back to faucet and you can wash dishes or do whatever you normally do. And since it takes so long to fill up a glass of water, I normally fill up a pitcher when I have time for future use. But place your pitcher inside the sink, so if you forget and step away, the excess water would not go all over the kitchen floor. Don't ask me how I know it. The water stream coming from diverter is the water that washes off our membrane and considers to be a wastewater. But that's how membrane stays always clean and fresh and ready to purify your water for just about next 3 years. On my next video I'm gonna do some interesting tests for pH, TDS, but for now, if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, subscribe, and also hit the like button. Thanks!